automate test cases. This is very, very important, guys. In the recording, okay, in the recording, this is the major thing. Okay, automate test cases. Okay, so you can use exploratory testing and you can use these things, but record and play, record and play. See, guys, it is very good concept. Okay, for example, in the previous step, it has not created the code. It has just created the manual test cases. But if you want to create the code, for example, I have the Parabank application. Okay, else we'll do one thing. Okay, now come here, and Tosca has that capability to record and play. It will use machine learning technologies to do that. What do I mean? See here. I will click on this auto record. Then you will have two different, one second guys. Okay, then we'll have two different options. One is test case, automate test case, and next one is automated data driven test cases. Okay, the TCD will be included, guys. Now see this one. Now once you click on automated test steps, now recording got started. Okay, now open the browser. Okay, and give the, what is this, 1 minute. It will record, guys. It will record each and every test step what you are performing. Okay, so now what you need to do, you need to click on this register button or login button. See, the Tosca is creating the code by itself. Okay, it has taken Rajesh. It will be recorded. You need not to do anything. Just it will capture your screen recording and it will convert the code by itself. See, very, very interesting. Okay, what it will do, it will check your respective mouse over points. Okay, next one, phone number. Next, SSN. Okay, next you can give your username. Okay, so what is a username? What you want to give it, you just give your username. Okay, so just give your username. Is bit slow, guys. Okay, yeah, now come here. Okay, so now you need to click on this one. Just click on register. Once it is successfully, see, now the screen record is playing already. Okay, just click on logout and close the browser. Come here and stop the execution. Now see the magic, guys. Okay, see this magic. Now the Tosca has created its own module. See here what it has done. It has scanned its module and it has automated its test cases. I will remove this one. Why? Because due to my system, right, I got this one. See what it has done. It has opened the URL. It is clicked on the register button and it has provided the value and it has done that. Now, if I run this test case, this record and play will work, guys. Okay, see here what it will do. It will open the Edge browser. Okay, 1 minute. See, I am not doing anything. The Tosca is taking. So now it will click on this. Now it will give each and every value in the first name, last name, city, state, zip code, everything it will provide. See, slowly it is giving the data. Whatever the data you have given means it is record and play. See, need not to do anything. Okay, I think we need to change the data here. But at least you understood the concept, right? Means you need not to do anything. The Tosca will scan that respective module. And once you have scanned this module, what the Tosca will do, Tosca will also create your respective test cases. See, it has created its own module. It has created its respective test cases. See, you need not to do anything. The Tosca will do everything. But the major disadvantage of this recording is you cannot, it won't work most of the times. Okay, So this is in still development phase, guys. So as of now, the Tosca is not recommended to use this record and play. Okay. So this